Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it's December 2nd, 2024. I can't believe it, but here we are, Christmas season. I wanted to let you know about some opportunities for you to join in on challenges and also collaborations between channels. Along with the whole community. It is a fun thing to do. It is a great way to get to know other YouTubers, and it's really fun. Usually the videos are all put up at the same time, and it's really fun to sit down at your computer, grab a snack or a drink or whatever, and enjoy all the videos. Let me go through these, and if I left any out, please forgive me. I'm trying to gather the information so I can get all of my active subscribers, collaborations, and challenges out to the public so they know. Okay, on the first of the month, which we missed, but you can join in next month, is Irene Huff's Doll Space. Every month she does hodgepodge videos. She wishes everybody a happy birthday. She has a hashtag. I think she does ask that you let her know if you also have a video going up on the first. Hodgepodge. Go watch her videos. Irene is fun and funny, and she puts little zingers in her videos. I love Irene. I have met her twice personally, and you'll really like her channel. Tina at Tina's Reborns is doing Dollmas this year. Now, go to her channel and get the information. It's Tina's Reborns and Dollsmas. She is also doing I didn't get the date. She's also doing Grinchmas, which is really fun, where you show your Grinch dolls and stuffed toys and your dolls dressed in Grinch outfits. Tina, put the date in the comments below so that everybody can join in. If Tina hasn't checked in yet and left a comment by the time you're here, go to Tina's channel. She'll have that announcement there. Tomorrow, it's not too late because we are not that picky on how you do your videos. Dory's Dollies and I, each month on the 3rd, do a Maya Rain Day. A Maya Rain Day is just a way of letting you know it's time to bring out your rainbow and shadow high dolls. It does not have to be a Maya Rain. Our theme for tomorrow is multicolor lights or Christmas lights. Dory and I have 3 challenges we do each month. On the 9th, we announce our themes, and then on the 3rd, we do a Maya Rain. On the 16th is Dolls Gone Goth. That's any doll at all. We're not the goth police. You can do it any way you want to interpret it. And then we have Hi Barbie on the 18th, which is any Barbie doll at all. And we upload all our videos at 10 a.m. Central. If you upload at the same time, when somebody sits down to watch them all, they'll see your video. You might get left out if you don't upload at that time, but when it's a challenge, you can upload anytime. It doesn't matter. While I'm on that, Darren and I have 2 one challenge, one collab challenge coming up. February 21st, we're going to do Fantasy Me. Now, we've all seen mini-me's, and that is dolls that look like the person. Sometimes somebody has one and you're like, well, you got the same color hair, but... And what we're doing with Fantasy Me is we want to see the doll that you would like to look like. That's going to be on February 21st at 10 a.m. And then on March 21st, we are still working on, actually, we're pretty caught up on that, aren't we, Darren? The Pastel Princess, we've already 3D printed the stands and all the stuff that's going in the little packets. We're inviting everyone to participate. It's going to be a collab where I think there'll be 6, 7-ish of us that are doing it. I want everyone to let me know if you're doing that particular collab, because even if you buy your own doll and you don't get the little box that we're sending out, because we only have a few, we still want to list your name in our collab list so everybody can go see your video. Ayla Avar has the Yuletime Ball on December 24th at 10 a.m. Central. You can go to Ayla's channel and see what she has in store, how she wants it done. I watched it today though, and she just said Yuletime Ball. So usually when you get the theme, you can do it any way you want. Each month, and that includes December, and this one will be on Christmas Day, there is a challenge, Bring Out Your Boys. I used to do this one, but the people that do it now are Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Gosha's Toys and More, and Irene Huff's Doll Space. And if I forgot someone, please forgive me. I try to gather up this information and write it down, but I'm not always correct. On the 25th of each month at 10 a.m. Central, they ask you to bring out your boy dolls. They give their themes, and I can't remember which day it is they get their theme out to you, but if you go to any of those channels, they'll have the information. You might have to look through their videos a little bit, but they will give the information. There's also a really fun challenge. One of my favorites. I wasn't able to participate for a while, so I no longer host it, but it's one of my favorite challenges, the elf doll. Any elf doll at all, including Christmas elves all year long, is on the 21st of each month. They give their announcement on the 7th of each month, and that's the theme. And that is Tina's Reborns, J Dolls UK, Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and if I have forgotten anybody, I think Penny at Playful Reborn is in on that one too. That's all I have. Oh no, wait a minute, one more thing. Weekly challenges. If I don't have yours in here and you are one of our active subscribers, please let me know in the comments and I'll add it in so I can get that information out next month. Penny at Playful Reborns does Wild Wednesday. Oh, they're so cute. You can go to Penny's channel, look at any of her Wednesday videos and get an idea for that. Tracy at Eclective Wandering does Wednesday Show and Tell. And she does it so cute too. Go by her channel and take a look. She has her Wednesday Addams Blythe doll in the videos with her as she does what she's showing. J Dolls UK does new clothes, and that's any day you show new clothes on your doll. If you want to tag her in, she would love that. Dory does Flashback Friday, and that is antique or vintage or even just last year's dolls to show them off on a Friday. Anytime you join in these challenges and you let people know that you are also participating, not just in the hostess comments, but if you go to, like on the elf day, if I'm participating in the elves and you go in my comments, let me know you have a video also on the same theme. I'd love to see it. Thank you for watching. Please write these dates down. I hope you will participate. It's fun. You get to know the other doll people out there. When you go to a doll show and you run into one of them, you feel like you know them a little bit better. Thank you so much. Please leave a like, a comment, write in any of the if you host a challenge or collab, write it in my comments. People do read those. And please subscribe to my channel and make sure you're still subscribed. YouTube's doing it again where it's taking away subscribers from channels, and not those that are just inactive. They're just randomly taking subscribers.